Welcome. Over the next few minutes, we will show you how to set up a Sage Business Cloud accounting company with Sage 50 data and how to verify the data. After using the Sage 52 accounting migration tool, this link allows you to connect to Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Alternatively, you may browse to this website. Click the link to create a new account and select Try Now to start your 30-day trial version, or Buy Now to subscribe to Sage Accounting. Type your name, your email, confirm your email, and choose and confirm a password. Note that some restrictions apply when choosing a password. Accept the terms and conditions and click Secure Account. At this stage, you will see two options: create a new business or use your existing Sage 50 data. We select Use your existing Sage 50 data. In our case, we've already completed the first step. We move to the second step and we click the Upload your file link. Browse to the location where you exported the file earlier and select the JSON file. The business name displays. To confirm, click Continue with this data. At this point, a message indicates that your data is being processed and that it may take a little while. As indicated, the process may take up to 24 hours, but it is usually much quicker. You may close this window, relax, and we will send you an email as soon as your data is ready in Sage Accounting. After the data has been processed, this message appears. You will also receive an email similar to this one. If for any reason things didn't go as planned, this message would appear. In such a case, a support case would be created and our team would reach out to you with more information. Now that data has been moved to Sage Accounting, let's click Go to your account. You could also click the link in the email you have received. In Sage Accounting, a migration report is available with valuable information. Let's open it. The report includes instructions to ensure that your data has been converted successfully. In particular, we recommend that you run a series of reports and compare them with the Sage 50 reports, and that you open your chart of accounts. Additional tasks are also recommended to help you get started, such as the customization of your invoice format, checks, and other Sage Accounting features. Let's close this report and have a look at a couple financial reports. We start by selecting the Profit and Loss report. And we can confirm that the data was migrated successfully. Let's close this report and generate a trial balance as recommended in the migration report. We select Date and click Calculate. We can now compare the information with our Sage 50 trial balance and confirm that the data was migrated successfully. Congratulations! You now know how to migrate Sage 50 data into Sage Business Cloud Accounting Company. Do you have questions? Want advice with steps in this video? Reach out online at sage.com/resources. By selecting your region and product, you can easily chat with a Sage Business Cloud representative.